Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI Security, Protecting Your Smart Systems from the Bad Guys. Hello developers and future AI builders. You've learned how to create smart systems now. Imagine your AI as a highly skilled assistant or a smart guard dog. Just like real-world assistants or guard dogs, AI systems can be tricked, misused, or even turned against their purpose by bad guys, malicious actors. AI security is all about protecting these intelligent systems from attacks, ensuring they remain reliable, fair, and safe. It's crucial because without it, we can't trust the decisions our AI makes, which can have serious consequences for businesses and people. Before we talk about security, let's quickly remember how AI works. At its core, AI, especially machine learning, learns by observing patterns in vast amounts of data, almost like a student studying textbooks and examples. If you're building an AI to recognize cats, you feed it thousands of cat pictures. The AI then creates an internal rulebook, its model, to identify cats in new images. The key takeaway for developers: AI's intelligence directly depends on the data it learns from, and how its rulebook is structured and applied. If the inputs or the rulebook are compromised, the AI's decisions will be too. Imagine you're training your AI chef to identify delicious ingredients. What if someone secretly sneaks in rotten apples into your good ingredients pile while the chef is learning? Your AI chef might start thinking rotten apples are perfectly fine, or even good. This is data poisoning. Attackers deliberately inject bad, misleading, or incorrect data into your AI's training dataset. For a developer, this means your carefully curated training data, if not properly secured, can be tampered with, leading your AI model to learn incorrect patterns, make biased decisions, or even behave maliciously in the future. Think about a security camera AI trying to identify a stop sign. An adversarial attack is like an attacker putting a tiny, almost invisible sticker on the stop sign. To a human, it still clearly looks like a stop sign, but to the AI, that tiny sticker makes it suddenly think it's a yield sign. Attackers make minuscule, often imperceptible changes to an input, like an image or text, that completely fool the AI, even though the input looks normal to us. As a developer, this is challenging because it exploits the subtle mathematical patterns your AI has learned, making it misclassify inputs at inference time. Your trained AI model is like a valuable secret recipe that took immense effort and resources to perfect. Model theft, or model extraction, is when bad guys try to steal that recipe. They might query your AI system repeatedly and analyze its responses to reverse engineer how it works, or even directly steal the model files if your systems aren't secure. For a developer, this means your intellectual property is at risk. A stolen model can be used to replicate your service, understand its weaknesses, or even launch further attacks against your system or users. How do we stop the bad ingredients from getting into our AI chef's training? We need robust data security. This means 1. Data validation. * Carefully check and clean all incoming data before it's used for training. Is it legitimate? Is it consistent? 2. Secure storage. * Keep your training data in secure, access-controlled databases. 3. Access control. * Only authorized developers and systems should have permission to view or modify your data. As a developer, implementing rigorous data pipeline security and validation steps is your first line of defense against data poisoning and ensuring your AI learns from trustworthy information. Beyond data, we need to protect the AI model itself and its decision-making process. 1. Robustness training. Train your AI to be less sensitive to those tiny adversarial changes. 2. Input sanitization. Even during live use. Double check and filter inputs before they reach your AI model to detect potential adversarial attacks. 3. Model encryption and access control. Encrypt your AI model files and restrict who can access or run them to prevent theft. 4. Monitoring. Continuously watch your AI's performance and output for unusual or suspicious behavior. For a developer, this involves building security into the model's architecture, deployment, and ongoing operation. AI security isn't just a buzzword. It's a fundamental responsibility for anyone building AI systems, from preventing poisoned data to guarding against clever tricks and theft. Understanding these threats is the first step towards building resilient and trustworthy AI. As developers, you are on the front lines of making AI safe and beneficial for everyone. Continuously learn, implement best practices, and collaborate to secure the future of AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.